So in this video, I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy for Forex, stocks, crypto using CCI and super trend. Okay, so first you need super trend indicator. Okay, so it's this one by Given Osbiljic. I use default setting for this one. Okay, default settings. And then you need CCI. Okay, it's this one, right? It's this one. So the setting is 14. Change color to white. All right. Okay, so for sell, you want the super trend to be red. Okay, I mean it's bearish, and then basically for CCI, you wait for it to go above 100 line. Okay, so this 100 line, so it goes above that, and basically you wait for it to go back down below 100. Okay, so you see the number here. So okay, so it dropped down to 62. So this is our signal. So the first time that it dropped down below 100 and the super trend is red, so this is our sell signal. All right, and okay, so it's here. So it's this candle here. Okay, it's this candle here. Okay, this is our sell, and your stop loss is your super trend. Okay, just maybe a few pips above that, just to be safe. And you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so say 1 to 2 here, so we can target that here, or 1 to 1.5. Okay, yeah, there. And then we have another signal here. So okay, the super trend is red, so it goes above 100 line. Okay, and we wait for it to go back down. Okay, not here, here. Okay, here, 58. Okay, see the number here, 58. So this is our sell signal. All right, our sell signal. This is our stop loss, just slightly above that, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so 1 to 2 is here. All right, and have another signal here. Okay, it goes above 100 and it goes back down. All right, so it's very easy. Okay, okay, it's just slightly above that, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. All right, it's very easy. Okay, so for buy, it's the opposite. So you wait for the super trend to be green, and then you wait for CCI to go below negative 100. Okay, so it goes below 100 here, negative 100 here, and we wait for it to go back up to above negative 100. Okay, so it's here, 26. Okay, you see the number here. Okay, this is the first time that it happens. Okay, so 26. So this is our buy signal, and the super trend has to be green. Okay, so you buy, and this is our stop loss, maybe just slightly below that, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. All right, and we have another signal here. Okay, so it's the trend green, and it goes back below. Okay, it's here, here. Okay, below negative 100, and then we wait for it to go back up. Okay, not here. Okay, it's here. So this is our buy signal. All right, this is our buy signal. And target, okay, just maybe slightly below that, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1.5. Okay, 1 to 2, so we get that. All right, so yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe and ask me any question. I'll answer it. Okay.